Hey crafters, it's Priscilla. Welcome back to the third installment of my DIY desk calendar. Today I'll show you how I made my March calendar. If you remember, this is a kit that I received from PaperSource. Here's what the kit looks like. Okay, let's get started. Here's everything I used to make this month's calendar. If you remember, this is the calendar I made for January, and this is the calendar I made for February. To start off, here's the blank calendar insert for March. This pattern paper from the Doodlebug's design Lots of Luck 6x6 paper pad will be the background layer for my calendar. Similar to the January and February calendars, I'll use a smaller rectangle of black cardstock to be the top layer. This adorable moose sporting a shamrock named Clover is from Riley & Company. This will be the focal point on the front of the calendar. I'll also be adding some shamrock embellishments. These are actually buttons that I picked up at Joann's. And the Happy St. Patty's Day sentiment is also from the Doodlebug Lots of Luck paper pad. Assembling this was really easy. I just adhered the black cardstock to the green and black check cardstock and then adhered both those to the March calendar insert. Now it's time to get coloring on the moose. Here's all the Copic markers I used to do that. Okay, I'm going to turn on some music and you can watch me color. Time to cut out Clover the moose. I'm just figuring out my placement here before I adhere everything down. My final touch was to add some glossy accents for some shine to the pot of gold, the shamrock, and the buckle on his hat. And there you have it, my finished calendar for March. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the like button and subscribe. See you in April.